How to fix Cinema HD app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps for the Cinema HD app not working. So let's delve into the solutions. First of all, to address any issues, the initial step is to ensure that the Cinema HD app is up to date. Go to your Play Store or the App Store according to your device and look for the and once you spot the app, look for the prompt indicating either open or update. If you see the update option, simply tap on it to initiate the updating process to acquire the latest version of the application. Another helpful fix involves clearing the cache for the Cinema HD app. To do this, navigate to your settings and go all the way down and click on apps, then search for Cinema HD app. Now again scroll down and click on storage and simply clear the cache or clear the data as you wish. Subsequently, tap on the reinstall app to reinstall it or simply uninstall the application and reinstall it from the Play Store. By diligently following these steps, you will likely see a resolution to the problem at hand. In wrapping up, I hope this detailed guide has been beneficial to you in addressing any concerns with the Cinema HD app. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.